number 1. Make sure your kill switch is off. Step number 2, get you I don't know what size. It says 11. I'm guessing it's the 11, 32, 11 inch, whatever. As long as it's the 11, it's a small size. It's about the size of a dime. Go in here. You guys see this red wire here? It'll be on this relay thing here. You just go in and it'll have this on it. I already took it off, but it'll have this on it, just like how the other one has it back here. All you do is put this on it, you know, turn it. Let me see if I could demonstrate it here. You see how it fits? And then you turn it, lift up, and it'll come off. It's hard, you gotta use some elbow grease. Alright, that's step 2. Why you do that part? So that way it don't shock you. Okay, here, this is my new inverter. This is my old one. If anybody wants it, send it to you for free, but it's only 1500 watts. So just know that if you have a refrigerator, that's all you can plug into it, nothing else. Okay. Now, like I said, the reason why we pulled that red wire off the battery, and my this wire is too short, so I can't really get a good view of it. But every time I go to hook up this black one, it sparks. So let's see if it'll do it. Okay, it didn't spark this time. So I'll be back, because all I'm gonna do is I guess this is as far as it'll zoom. All I'm gonna do is slip on this black one into the screw here, and I'm gonna put these bolts on it. Be right back. I hooked these two up, and to mount it, there's a screw there. I only put in one because this one is too big. I recommend, when choosing an inverter, I decided to use the same old wires because they were 3 feet, and this inverter said it in the manual. I need to find the manual. Doggone it. Oh, shoot. But you'll know, I would ask them to open this and look through this. So I got the Jupiter power inverter, 3000 watt. Okay, it says it in the specifications. It'll tell you wire gauge 2/0. I don't know what this means, but it says up to 3 feet. I know that these wires are 3 feet. So I couldn't use the ones that I bought, because the ones I bought were 6 feet. Okay. It also says it on here, or you avoid the warranty. I turned it on, and it should work. I hope this helps. Oh, what I was saying is, I recommend, when buying an inverter, buy one that is similar to the old one, meaning the shape. Trying to get this to stay. See how this one is rectangular, this one is square? I would try to find one that's around the same shape and the same wire position in the back. You see how these are so close together? And the one on this one, oops, the one on this one is, you see, one is at the top and one is at the bottom. So it made it difficult. I couldn't stretch the wires but so much. You get what I'm saying? So it kind of made it difficult to mount it. So try to get one that's similar in shape and similar in this back here. So I should have got the same kind of inverter, except 3,000 watt instead of 15. Okay, I hope this helps.